So hello guys, you are welcome to another new video of our channel where today we are going to talk about everything that is going around in Indian football, where we are going to talk about everything from the Indian national team upcoming matches to the club matches that are going on like in Super Cup and all the upcoming matches of East Bengal and FC Goa in AFC Challenge League and AFC Champions League 2. So without wasting any further time, let's start our video. Guys, before starting our video, I want to thank everyone that we have completed our 500 subscribers and your support means a lot. Keep supporting me like this and thanks for everything. Our next goal is to monetize this channel so that I can be regular on this channel. So yeah guys, thank you for all and keep supporting. So guys, firstly let's talk about Indian football team's matches. So our next match is gonna be a historic friendly against Brazil that we already know. But in the same FIFA window, we would have been playing another tournament that was the FIFA Asian Cup. But India pulled out at the last moment and Bangladesh came in that tournament. All this is because the false management of our AIFF. So this friendly and the Asian Cup was like clashing with one another, and the thing that could be done was that we should have sent a younger team in one of the tournament or the friendly. But development is never a priority for AIFF. They always do flashy things to like flex their Indian football, but actually Indian football is not that good. Anyways, in November we would be playing the SAF Cup. The competition is too low that India is the highest ranked country in this SAF Cup. Still, we know how our team performs when it comes to the international level. We will be playing our group stage matches against Pakistan on 5 November and Maldives on 11th of November. The semi-final will be played on 14th November and the final will be on 17th November. And here comes another management error by AIFF, where we have to play two friendlies against New Zealand in the same FIFA window that are on 12th and 15th of November in New Zealand. So now let's talk about the club football. So guys, in the Super Cup the semi-finalists are decided, and the first semi-final is gonna be SC Delhi versus East Bengal FC, and the second one is gonna be between Mohun Bagan and Northeast United FC. According to me, it's gonna be another Kolkata derby in the final, and any team can be winning it because both are like Mohun Bagan and East Bengal both are good teams. So yeah, anything can happen. Now let's talk about the continental club football. So for East Bengal, the ACL 2, which is the Asian Champions League 2, draws are out, where the other three teams of the group are Al Hussein from Jordan, Al Shota from Iraq, and Al Saib from Oman. Guys, in the upcoming time, I'll give you all updates about the Asian Champions League. So don't forget to subscribe our channel. Moving further and talking about FC Goa, they are playing AFC Challenge League. That is the third tier of continental football in Asia. Their draws are gonna come tomorrow on 19th of August on the AFC's official YouTube channel. So guys, this was our video. If you liked it, you can subscribe our channel. So I'll meet you in the next video. तब तक के लिए जय हिंद जय भारत.